For reading today, you guys need to be in our small red reader on pages 236 and 237. And we're talking about my helpers. It says, how does this girl get help from her coach? So you can brainstorm and think, if you've ever played a sport or done dance or, karate, anything like that, you have a coach. You have someone that's teaching you how to do it. So how do your coaches help you? So you can think about that while we read this story. All right, so we've got words we need to know. So let's take a look. Brother, I like to read to my brother. Father, my father shows me how to swim. Friend, it's fun to have a good friend. Love, my family and I love each other. Mother, Pam's mother is our soccer coach. Picture, I drew a picture for my teacher. Accept, will you accept this gift? Often, we often go to the library. All right, so on this first page here, we're talking about the different letter sounds that make the aw sound. So the letters A, AW, AU, AUGH, and AL can all make the aw sound like you hear in calls, fawn, cause, caught, and walk. So let's take a look at the words at the bottom. You know how we normally rainbow read them, starting at the top and working our way to the bottom, and then starting at the top again. So let's do that together. Ball, saw, fault, also, talking, salt, smallest, pause, hall, taught, yawn, daughter. So those are our aw words we're talking about this week. All right, up at the top here, let's read the two sentences together. Last fall, I taught Paul how to draw. He drew a tall tree using chalk. And can't forget the words in the bottom box. All, talks, caught, also, taught, walk, baseball, awful, always, ball, because, talk. All right, so what I need you guys to do next is read the story, All Kinds of Helpers. And this is nonfiction, which means it's real information. You can see these kids are getting ready to practice what sport? Basketball, that's right. So go on through this, and you guys should be able to read this independently, but if you get stuck on a word, just ask mom or dad for help. But you guys are awesome, excellent, strong readers, so I know you can do this all independently. And then when you're finished, let's talk about author's purpose. It says the author's purpose is the reason why an author writes a selection. So let's take a look over here at our clues. These are some clues from the stories that you read last week and that you're going to reread today. So the one clue is families love you and teachers help you learn. Another clue is doctors, nurses, and safety helpers keep you healthy and safe. So the author's purpose, why did the author write this story? They wrote the story to let you know that there are many people helping you in many ways. The author wanted to teach you that. We have lots of helpers in our community.